You can copy and paste a whole book into squash notes, then use the Find button to quickly create headings for navigating content like a physical book. Go to Gutenberg.org, and this is the Count of Monte Cristo. I'm going to choose the HTML form, and I'm going to email it to myself using Safari's Mail Contents of this page command. I've already done that, so I'll go into Mail, and you have to scroll to the bottom of the mail and download, select download all the rest of the content. I've already done that because it takes a bit of time. Now I'll copy it. And I'll paste it into squash notes. .6 million characters. So I know I've downloaded all of the content because that's I just know that's how many characters are in the book. Takes a few seconds. The book is this big, so this is really a demonstration of how robust squash notes is. But I don't recommend you that you regularly manage this many notes, because occasionally it can freeze up for a couple of seconds. So now I've got all of the contents in the book into my squash notes. Now I could obviously scroll up and down, which would take an eternity. And I want to create, I can use the squash button, and I could scroll it in condensed form, or I could squash it twice, and I could access the book, but I can't really see where the headings are. I'm just going to go to the beginning. Okay, so I want to create headings, and I'm going to use the Find button. I'm going to make a heading out of the very first, out of the title. Now I'm going to search. In this online version, they've got a contents, chapter 1, chapter 2, and then they've got the rest of the book following that. So I'm just going to search for chapter plus the next word, and then that's going to highlight chapter plus chapter 1, chapter 2 throughout the whole of the book. So the first part is just the contents section, and the second part is the chapters inside the actual book. I don't need this content section. I also don't need this preamble, so I'm going to delete both. There's over 100 chapters in this book. There you go. Delete that. I'm going to freeze these find results into headings. Using this command, found bold. That converts the found results into bold headings. And that's it. Now I can access any one of these chapters just like a physical book. And in this first squash view, I can scan the whole chapter, because in this first squash view it only shows me the first sentence of each paragraph. So that's a way for me to drill down into the chapter and then skim it and just get a quick gist of what it contains.